new rocket force is purely conventional. And this dual track system reduces ambiguity, it prevents entanglement, and it also adds a clear five break between conventional and nuclear deterrence. And I believe that this move also strengthens crisis stability in this region and sends a constructive message to the world. Unlike India, which integrates BrahMos missiles, which are capable of both nuclear and conventional roles, Pakistan is reducing risk through separation and transparency. So while India plays with ambiguity, Pakistan leads with clarity. So this Army Rocket Force will function like a dedicated corps, and just like all other corps, it will be commanded by a lieutenant general and reporting directly to the chief of the army staff. This force complements Pakistan's full spectrum deterrence, not by blurring lines but by reinforcing them. And while the Strategic Force Command focuses on nuclear delivery systems like Nasser, Shaheen, and Wari, this rocket force handles conventional missiles. And we can see that this allows greater operational flexibility and targeted deterrence as well. And just in a layperson's term, this force adds another layer of armor to our defensive posture. So while keeping our nuclear shield distinct and under strict central control. I think that this depends more on India's choices. During Operation Bunyano Mursus, Pakistan's conventional web response, as we just witnessed, including the use of Fatah rockets, played a decisive role in forcing India to seek and request for a ceasefire. And the new rocket force builds on that success. It enhances Pakistan's ability to impose costs without escalating uh, prematurely. But I think to address emerging threats in a comprehensive manner, we may eventually need to match India's pursuit of supersonic and even hypersonic systems. Our current cruise and rocket systems are subsonic. Still, this command sends a strong signal that Pakistan will not allow space for limited war, and if India continues its aggressive posture, it may eventually find that dialogue, not coercion, is the better path to peace in this region. In an age of dangerous ambiguity, Pakistan's message is loud and clear, and it's very simple as well, that we seek peace through clarity and deterrence through separation between the conventional and nuclear. Thank you.